Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I use my Square app and add my inventory, and I will also show you how I run a transaction. Okay, so you go into your Square app. This will be your starting cash and your cash drawer. I have to figure that out. I have not counted my drawer. How I add my inventory is I will go to click more. Then I will go to items, all items, create item, and then I will put it as mushroom, select a category. I've added all of these categories so you guys can make your own category. These are all the categories I have. I've added it under plushies. This is if you want to add colors or sizes to things. I don't tend to use color anymore. I did when I started, but not so much now. Let me back out of here. I don't use SKU numbers. And then you just type in your price, $9, stock on hand is how much you have. You click stock received and you add 1. That's how many I have of this. You would add how many you have. This is set up to where it's going to apply tax when I run the transaction. You can add a description if you want. I'm not going to. I don't do that. And then if you click up here on this little icon, you can change the color of it or add a photo. I am going to do that later. So I will show you one more time. We'll completely back out of this. So you go to your app. You go, I think you could do it through here too. Oh yeah, you can add right through here. So that's 2 ways to do it. Triceratops. That is the other item I made. It is also a plushie. I'm just scrolling down. I'm going to add my price. That one is going to be for 20. Stock on hand, 1, done, and save. And then you could see in here it tracks what you have. So I'm sold out of my baby shark, I'm sold out of my chunky boy mushroom, I'm sold out of my fox rattle, my ice cream, and you can see what it looks like when you have pictures in there. And then you could also see like a quick little screenshot of my prices there. I can show you quickly how to run a transaction and just not go through with it. So you would, at your event, you would have your Square Reader hooked to this. Mine is not currently. But you would click into items, or you could scroll down and see your categories and your items, however you want to do it. I like to click into items and then say I'm selling the egg. You would click it, it would add it to your cart. You would see the price, the name of it, and the sales tax. You can add a discount if you want. I offer a discount to anybody who signs up to my email list. So to do that, you would add the discount and then you would charge it. You have either cash or manual card entry or like card on file or gift card if you do all that. But if it's cash, you have to click cash. If it's not cash and you have your chip reader, you can just directly insert the chip without clicking anything and then it'll run the transaction through. So we'll pretend like I've collected the exact tender on this and then no receipt. And then it'll pop up to this screen and you just click new sale and it takes you right back to the beginning. If you go into settings and click cash management, you can add a starting drawer amount. So that'd be how much money is in your drawer. To set up a discount, you go into discounts and then you can create a discount. It's super simple. You just type in the name and like the type and then add the amount and save it. What else? Okay, so if you go into your settings and click checkout, you can go into sales tax and add a sales tax. This is the Florida sales tax, but some sales tax change county by county, like Hernando County, Florida is 6.5%. So typically customers will opt to do no receipt, but if they want a receipt, they can either put their phone number or email in after the transaction to get the receipt. Some customers, their information is like already saved somehow. I don't know how that works. But it'll show me like the last 4 digits of their like phone number, and they will like ask for the like receipt to be sent there. Yeah, so that is everything.